people, this is how to basically legitimately put a battery on your mouse or keyboard if it's like if it looks like this. Basically, if it looks like this. And yeah. So yeah, let's pretend that this flew out of your of the mouse while you were in a birthday party. Let's say that somebody flipped the table over and then everything flew out. And my friend Leon did that yesterday. So then I'm gonna show you. If you just put the battery cover in, you will notice that it still closes, but at the exact same time it doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you how to carefully do it. Legitimately. Alright, so yeah. Basically, it happened yesterday, and now I can open off this battery cover. It was so hard in the past, but now it works. And the mouse that currently looks like this is heavily damaged, as you can tell. Yeah, that's not good. Anyways, you can see some parts of the PCB everywhere, judging by the fact that this was blown off. Okay, so I basically have the battery right over here. It is BL5C. Sure, you have other batteries if you do not have this. So if you do not have the battery that I suggested, then you can go ahead and use AAA batteries. AAA batteries, AAA batteries, or AAA batteries. So then, what you're gonna have to do is grab your battery and then put it like this. Okay, so you just have to grab your battery, line it up in the correct position, and then put it down. See, it will make that noise. See? And it will work, but be careful because your battery will fly out if you flip it. So even on your look, see, I think it's gonna work. Oops. So I actually put it the wrong direction. And this mouse, it's actually made in China. And the battery, it just looks a tiny bit swollen, as you can tell. But I'll always be completely understandable. Because if this hasn't been left on, that will explode. So, oh my gosh, what did I do? EA fuck. Jeez, there we go. So, then you put the BL5C into there. Oh. And if you actually have if you do not have this battery that I actually suggested, then what you can use is basically AAA batteries. So then we gotta do this. You gotta put it on the correct direction. The contacts are on the right. Involve the pins is at the exact same position of where the actual is there any autofocus? Is there any autofocus? So no, there's no autofocus. So anyways, we got the pins right there. The pins are the good orientation. So then carefully align this up and then like this. I know that I already told you, but you viewers who had skipped to this part doesn't know it yet. There. Yes, I'm closing a bag actually. Alright. Then this is how to do it your battery cover. So if you gotta line it up like this and then push this. There. But if you do it like this, do it like that, and then all you gotta do is push it down. Okay. And then push this side, and then, yeah, boom. So yeah, guys, there you go. That's how to replace the battery now. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope this helped. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And it works, as you can tell. It definitely works. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.